as Mr. Nelson Mandela says that when it is dark, you should look for the stars. And if you go somewhere where everybody else is shining, then you'll only be another bright light. And so we're going to find opportunities where we can grow and shine and set an example to be a market leader as much as we possibly can.
The general accident group, which other companies you have in the group? No.
Well, the general accident group, it's just the insurance companies. So the general accident group is the general accident Jamaica as the parent, then general accident TNT, and general accident Barbados.
Barbados is
yes, so it's general TT and general Barbados. Barbados was not an acquisition. Barbados was a startup.
Okay.
So we actually applied for a license in Barbados, got it. And then we went about writing our first policy in May 2020.
Wow. In the middle of the pandemic?
In the middle of the pandemic. Suffice it to say that we did have a little bit of help though, because we are owned by the Musson Group, and the Musson Group has business all over the Caribbean. So if there was a policy to be written, it would be one for the parent, and it was in fact the first policy. But we've been to Barbados, we've had many meetings, we've been to the association meetings, and we've been saying to the public, we provide an alternate for you to get your insurance needs satisfied. And we do not want to go into a market and disrupt the market. That's not our style. We actually want to go and to help to get the market to grow together with the entities that's already there. So we do not go there as a price leader trying to take market share. No,
we'd rather grow the market.
We'd rather grow the market and be responsible and be part of the market. And that's what we did. So we did lots of meetings, meeting everybody, saying that, look, we have good security, and if ever you want an option, we are ready to listen.
We're seeing in more recent times, Sharon, Jamaican companies expanding into the region, expanded internationally. Is this a reversal of a trend? Years ago, we would have seen other people coming and buying where we were seemingly afraid to invest, or maybe crowded out by other easy, high interest.
Well, I would want to say that probably would be it. In the high interest regime, it was easier to just sit back and let your capital earn passive income for you with very little risk, but no, that's not there. So capital needs to find a home.
Absolutely.
And I think it's an opportunity now to look further afield. And I would also want to say that since then, I've been in the financial services industry for quite some time. I hope that doesn't age me. And I think that there are new investment houses with probably much younger, agile minds, wealth creation, what they call themselves, wealth managers, who have maybe gone away to university, the first world, and have come back with new ideas. And the generation is much younger now, so where that is concerned in the financial services industry. So I think they are more prepared to take risk and see that, look, if Amazon can become the biggest shopping mall without one store, why not?
Why not? The insurance industry, though, has always been a challenging one. You've managed to navigate that very well, all the hurdles, all the challenges. What is next for general accident?
When it comes to insurance, for us, we want to grow further in the region. That's an objective of us, right? But maybe more importantly, we would like to offer to the modern day insurance purchaser online functionality to buy your to buy your insurance products. So we are spending a little bit of time focusing on how can we make online frictionless, and we would like it to be end-to-end. It's something very new. Again, I'm going to use my favorite online place, which is the Amazon.
Yes.
Remembering that the gentleman started selling used books in his garage for university students to what it is today. So we feel that we will take tiny steps towards this, but we would like insurance products to be readily available, not necessarily in the insurance company itself. And I think the whole world is going digital. And as we move digital, obviously that comes with some risk. So we need to take tiny steps into making sure that yes, and the online product that we offer satisfy the needs of the purchaser of the product. So that's our big thing going forward.
Jamaica is into a different space as an economy right now. We've seen a lot of recovery after COVID-19, but even more so coming on after we had the different meltdowns in the financial sector, and we came out strong. And the Jamaican economy, and especially in the financial sector, seemed to have taken off. We were a #1 stock exchange, and a lot of things have changed. Low interest rate and all of that. Is this space setting us up for significant growth, and should we expect companies like General Accident to really be a leader in that kind of growth?
I would say that the economy cannot grow without an insurance company. Businesses cannot expand beyond certain limits without an insurance company. Why? Because for business to expand, they do need capital.
Of course.
Either they're going to have to get equity capital, or they're going to have to get debt capital. If they choose debt capital, the lenders always want insured assets. So there will always be a place for us to be able to provide that service at a appropriate economical price to those who need it. Then there is the issue of what happens if there's a catastrophe, and your security for your loan is a building. The lenders want to make sure that there is an opportunity for them to recover the funds that they have loaned out. There's always a need for insurance services. So for me, I think that insurance companies will grow from strength to strength. They have to, because this world of business cannot do without us.
Absolutely wonderful words, Jim. As we look to wrap up this interview, and again, we're very proud. First, a junior market company graduating to the main market in 11 years thereabouts?
Yes.
And you've grown tremendously. What's the word that you want to leave on the minds of the viewers, your shareholders, as we look to close out this interview?
I will start by saying thank you for having placed confidence in us. Because if you did not place your insurance policy with us, then we would not have had the growth that we have enjoyed so far. And I would want to say, please continue to support us. We're a Jamaican company. We are first and foremost a Jamaican company, and we are not going anywhere. We will never come out of Jamaica. Our job is to make sure that we continue to support the economy of Jamaica, do our little part in terms of nation building, and to continue to provide employment for all those young graduates from university or high school. We're absolutely proud of that, because we do have an internship program, and we want to continue to make Jamaica the place to live and work.
All right, there you have it. And that's why they're the first junior market company to graduate to the main market. A couple of years of success. That's the story that we want to bring to you. Thank you very much, Sharon, for coming and talking to us on the program today.
You're most welcome, sir, and thank you for having me.
Yes. There you have it, viewers. As we always say on Let's Talk Stocks, we give you information to make better financial decisions. Come back with us tomorrow morning at 9. We'll have another exciting program lined up for you.